you wanna let me go, nah, nah.
Hi everybody and welcome back to IBX Running. I'm Coach Rachel. Today we have a quick 15-minute HIIT workout for you. If you miss any speed and incline changes, don't worry. We'll have all of that displayed for you over here onto your screen. And then if you look over onto the other side of your screen, we're gonna have this really nice long progression bar that's gonna show you where we are from start to finish through this whole entire workout. So make sure you have a water bottle and a towel handy because we are going to get sweaty. And if you are ready, look down at your tread, find that start button. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. We start off 1 minute here, 2.5, 3.5. We walk it out. All right, this is quick. It's gonna happen fast, okay? We're here for a minute. I'm gonna go right into it. So it's very, very quick, 30 seconds, the whole entire workout. We're going with a base run and a hard run, base and a hard, okay? So what does that mean? We're gonna pick 2 paces. Our base, 5-0 to 7-0, softer jog. Our hard run, 7-0, 10-0. It's only 30 seconds of your life. Only 30 seconds, 15-minute workout. So whatever you thought you couldn't do today, throw it out the window, put it on the treadmill, let it flip off the back, because today we gonna make magic happen. All right, 15 minutes, we're gonna go. 15 minutes, if it's all we got, we're gonna put in the work. 10 seconds, we pick it up right into our first base, basically is what it is. It's like our warm-up jog, but it's our first base. 5-0, 7-0, this time we're just here for a minute, okay? We're just warming it up. After this, everything else is 30 seconds. We have a couple 1-minute recoveries throughout that. Just a couple though, so don't get excited. All right, well, we go right into our hard run. So from here, right into the hard. 7-0, 10-0. It's 30 seconds. You can do it, okay? We're 30 seconds to get there. I'm here to pump you up. Pump it up. Let's go hard. Then we go home. 20 seconds, 7-0, 10-0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the first round. Then you get to walk and recover. I'm pretty sure. Could be an extra in there somewhere. Here we go, 7-0, 10-0. In 3, 2, pick it up. Our base is gonna be right where we were. 5-0, 7-0. What did I put my name? There we go. Oh, yes, I wasn't kidding, I'm going hard. 15 seconds. Your body gotta get really warmed up for that. 10, 8, 5-0, 7-0, in 3, 2, walk it out. 5-0, 7-0. Oh yeah. Whew. We're 1 done, just like that. Yep. Ready for round 2? I told you they come fast. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Pick it up, 30 seconds. There we go. 7-0, 10-0. Pump it up, pump it up. 20 seconds left. We take it back down. I know. You're like, oh my God, it's only been 3 minutes. We're doing it today. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Jog it out, jog it out, jog it out. Don't stop. We're on 2, we're done. Okay? 3 is coming up. 7-0, 10-0. Catch your breath here. Let your base control your breathing if you feel like it gets out of whack. Good. 10 seconds. 7-0, 10-0, and 5, 4, 3, 2. Pick it up. Yes, come on. We got it, we got it, we got it. It's number 3 right here. I think. 15 seconds. 5-0, 7-0, 10. Don't forget to smile, we're having fun. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5070. Jog it out, jog it out. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, that was 3. We're going to 4. We're going to 4. Come on. You ready? I know you are. You're like, yeah, Rachel, I'm ready. Let's run. We gonna run in 10. I got you, team. In 8, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 7, 10, 30 seconds. Come on. Oh yeah. Nothing's stopping us today. 15 minutes. 20 seconds. Bigger strides, stronger arm pumps. Halfway there. Get ready to jog it out. In 10. Breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5070. Good. Keep breathing. Ready for 5? Yep. I know you are. Catch your breath. We got this. Here we go. 15 seconds. We do it again. We keep going. Over and over till we get to the end of the workout. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Pick it up, pick it up. 7, 10. Keep working, keep breathing. We're halfway there. Get ready to jog it out again. In 10, in 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Jog it out. Okay, guess what? What, Rachel? We're doing it again. After this one, you get a 1 minute walk and recovery though, okay? 7-0, 10-0. Just wanted to double check. Here we go, in 5, 4, 3, 2. Pick it up, 30 seconds. Yes, stronger, harder, faster, we got it. 1 minute, you get to walk. Give me 15 more seconds here. Come on, team. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3-0, 4-0. We walk, we recover. How'd that feel? You're like, oh God, guess what? We are halfway through the workout. We're gonna walk and recover. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, only 5 more hard runs. Same thing, we're doing it all over again. We start with the hard run, 30 seconds on, 7-0, 10-0. Base run, 5-0, 7-0. No incline today, so give it everything you got. Second half, maybe let's start increasing. You only have 5. Okay, it's 2.5 minutes. That's it, all said and done, 2.5 minutes you run. It's only 30-second increments. Push your pace. You only have 15 minutes today. It's time to put in the work. You had longer runs, Rachel's next. Shorter runs, let's go. Here we go, 10 seconds, 7. I'll embarrass myself sometimes. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7-0, 10-0. Let's go, 30 seconds. It already started. It's gonna be over before you know it. You only have 20 left. We go back down. 5-0, 7-0. Think about it right here. You realize you only have 6 minutes left. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 5-0, 7-0. Stop jog, base pace. We build from here. It was harder to start from the walk, but you did it. All right, 20 seconds. We only have 4 left. 7-0, 10-0. I told you, I want you to increase your pace. We go in 10. Let it go, you got it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, pick it up. Come on. Feel it in that core. Feel it in those glutes. You are not gonna quit. I am not gonna let you. You're gonna keep running. You're gonna finish. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5070. 30 seconds. 3 left. I'm gonna get mad because I know I don't want any of you to give up. It's not mad, it's passion. Passionate about running. I'm passionate about you guys finishing what you start. Not quitting on yourselves. 10. This world is designed to make you want to quit. We don't do that here. Let's go. 5, 4, 7, 0, 10, 0, 3, 2, pick it up. We are winners. Come on. How do we win? We don't stop. We don't give up. Every day we work hard, right? We give as much energy as we can. It's okay if it's not as much as the day before. We stay consistent. We keep giving. We keep going. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5070. You have 2 left. That's it. 2 left. 2 left, team. You're like, base pace. I love your base pace. Yeah. Only 2 hard runs. That's only 1 minute left. We go. 7-0, 10-0, and 5, 4, 3, 2, pick it up. I got my eyes on you. Let's go. 20 seconds left. Come on, team. I got my eyes on the clock. Trust me. 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5070. You ready for the last one? I know. Last one. You can do it. Go a little harder. Get a little faster. This moment is yours. Take it. Don't let yourself down. All right? I believe in you. We go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 7-0, 10-0. Last hard run. Are you going faster? Are you working harder? Pump it out. We're gonna do 1 more base, then we walk, okay? Give me 15 more seconds. You can count down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5070. Whew. There we go. Soft jog. 1 minute we walk, and then we're done. Okay? 20 seconds. We take it down 3040. Whew, you made it, guys. How does that feel? You're like, what? What just happened to me? We did some work. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3040. Walk it out. 30 seconds. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a minute. Ooh, a whole minute. You earned that. Breathe. Whew. We're putting some work right there. Yeah, buddy. The good thing is you got 15 minutes. We made the most of it. Good, you got 30 seconds left. Then we just take it down for a cool down. 2, 5, 3, 5 for the last 30. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, let it go. You proud of yourselves? If that was the fastest you ever sprinted, man, good job. If you didn't quit on any of those, good job. Proud of you. It's about staying consistent, like I said. Maybe not every day is created to be the hardest, but we keep showing up for ourselves. That's how you win. Here we go, 2, 5, 3, 5, and 3, 2, 1. Take it down a little bit more. Let the heart rate come down. Bigger full inhales. Longer exhales, gonna bring the heart rate back down, okay? Bigger inhales, longer exhales. Slow down the heart rate just a little bit, okay? Towel up, hydrate, make sure you stretch. Proud of you guys, again, 10 seconds. Remember, you can look down, find that stop button. 3, 2, 1. This is IBX Running. I'm Coach Rachel. 15-minute HIIT interval exercise for you. I'll see you guys here next time.